This is a turnkey robotic Workcell concept for assembling a medium-sized product. Some of the inputs are semi-flexible, which can be a real challenge to handle using traditional automation. In fact, the client that approached us for this automation solution could not find other companies that offered a material handling solution for semi-flexible materials. We were able to devise a solution using 3D scanning technology, automated toolpath generation, a clever end effector design, and a regrip station. There are 3 cartridges that hold material inputs. 2 of them hold the yellow semi-flexible sticks. The 3rd cartridge holds a backing plate to which the sticks must be glued. Although this animation shows the sticks in organized layers, in reality the sticks will be oriented in the same direction, but there would not be any nicely formed layers. It would appear more like a bundle of spaghetti in real life. A 3D scanner scans the top of the bin with the sticks to identify the grip position. Using a single needle gripper, the robot picks and drags the sticks to the regrip fixture. The sticks will be released onto the regrip fixture, where it will fall and touch 2 datums. A cushion of air, like in an air hockey table, is supplied to the surface of the regrip fixture to make it easy for the stick to slide towards the 2 datums. The sticks are non-rigid and can bend. Once they are aligned with the datums in the regrip fixture, the flexible sticks can be regripped from 2 sides, which keeps them straight. The sticks are then moved to the glue head, where the glue is applied and the sticks are placed onto the assembly by the robot. Once 4 sticks are glued to the assembly is kicked out of the machine via a conveyor. The cartridges open from the side, allowing for easy refilling. They are also swappable so that the material inputs can be refilled by the operator away from the machine. This ensures that refilling the machine causes minimal downtime. As the material inputs are depleted, the floor of the cartridge elevates up to the table, which ensures that the material inputs are always within reach of the robot. The cycle time for each part is 20 seconds, and the Workcell was designed to be compact to take advantage of the client's limited floor space. If you are in the manufacturing industry and have an application you'd like to automate, please contact us through our website, automationexperts.ca.